Good morning and welcome. Just quickly want to touch base with you guys and share. I've received the books. I'm going to show you what I've received here as well. But I just want to fill you in a little bit about my life at the moment. We've got a move that we need to manage this weekend of a family member, and then in about a month and a half's time, we will be moving to a different house. What has happened here is we are renting the house and a piece of land on a farm, but not the whole complete farm. And the owners decided that they want to develop the rest of the farm now as a soybean animal feed manufacturing plant. I think I've got the right idea around here. So they do receive spent soya. They receive a byproduct from a soy plant that makes either soy oil or milk or something. That is being loaded into bags, and then it ferments on the way here. It has got a stench that I can't even tell you. But yeah, then it's been spread open on concrete sheets, not very far from my house. Maybe I must do a video one day and just show you where I live and where all this stuff is happening, because it's about 20 meters from my front door. But there's flies and gogos and all kinds of stuff. That's been increasing by the day here. So we did give notice. We are going to move. We found another place. It's much smaller than where we are now. So this is going to be a challenge to move everything in there. The house is, for quite some time, nobody lived in the house. So there's quite a lot of stuff that needs to be renovated. It's a very old farmhouse. But I think we're going to have peace and quiet there. It's on a game farm. It is lovely. The surroundings is lovely. I don't care if the house is a little bit dilapidated. We're going to make it a livable place, and we're going to enjoy living there. So I just wanted to tell you guys that I might not be able to record weekly, but I will definitely try to keep touch with you guys and just keep you updated as we go. And yeah, then my lovely gift, I do know what's in the box. So it's from a friend of mine, Marie. Thank you so very much. She decided to bless me with something that's just going to make my next videos a little bit better, because you guys know I like to explain the science part behind things, and sometimes you guys can't really see where I'm pointing on the screen, because I do sometimes do the live screen recordings. So this is just to improve it. So let me just move the phone down. Oh, that's the wrong way around. Okay, let's see if we're going to fit it in here. Yeah, we're going to fit it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I've got my little box here. Our courier service is sometimes a little bit, I think they sit on top of the boxes. I don't know what they do. Okay, but at least it's easy to open things up here. I can open up that one there as well. Okay, there we go. And here is my lovely gift. I actually Googled it and I wanted to buy one, and she said, no, I must not buy one. She's got one extra, so she's going to bless me with it. So yeah, I've got a little tablet that I can write on, and then you can see what happens on the screen. So this one is the DecoFun extra small pen tablet. So we're going to start small. I think it should be more than enough. So there's my little tablet there. And let's see. Yeah, here's all the other nice stuff in here. I've got the little cable that goes with it. And my pen. This is exciting. I'm going to feel smart, eh? And extra nibs. And what the ring is for, I really do not know. We will figure it out when we read the manual. I believe the manual will tell us what we must do here. Okay, so there we go. I've got the right way around this time. A little bit too much. Okay, so thank you again, Marie. This is going to be a blessing. I really do look forward to using this. So yeah, and you guys, I just wanted to say hi and share with you all my blessings here. Yeah, so I will go see you guys hopefully soon. I do have 2 videos that I want to record before we need to do the first move. So one of them is about soda ash and soap. I've got my soap here. So I've got the example of a soap that's really soda ash and one without the soda ash. And I'm going to use my little tablet to write on the screen and explain to you exactly what happens in the science and how to avoid it. And then I've got another one, but yeah, that one is going to be a surprise for a little bit later. So, okay, so I'm going to see you guys again soon, hopefully. And you must keep well, you must keep safe, and may the trace be with you. Till I see you guys next time.